Top 5 white noise machines for better sleep quality.
Struggling to fall asleep or stay asleep? White noise machines can help by masking disruptive sounds and creating a relaxing environment. In this list, we'll explore 5 of the most effective white noise machines to help you improve your sleep quality, whether you live in a noisy neighborhood or just want a peaceful night's rest.
1. LectroFan Classic.
LectroFan Classic is a favorite for its wide range of fan and white noise sounds. With precise volume control and a compact design, it's ideal for bedrooms or travel. The machine uses non-looping sounds, reducing repetition that could disturb sleep, and includes a convenient timer option. It's especially well-suited for both adults and children needing help to drift off.
2. Yogasleep Dohm.
The Yogasleep Dohm has been a trusted name in white noise for decades. It produces natural fan-based white noise created by moving air rather than digital recordings. Users can adjust the tone and volume by twisting the outer shell. Its simple and durable design makes it great for bedrooms, baby nurseries, or offices, offering a steady, soothing sound all night.
3. Hatch Restore.
The Hatch Restore combines a white noise machine with a sunrise alarm, meditation guides, and smart light features. You can customize your nighttime routine with a variety of soothing sounds and lights, all controllable via an app. The device's versatility makes it perfect for those seeking a more holistic approach to sleep improvement beyond just white noise.
4. Marpac Rohm Portable.
The Marpac Rohm Portable is designed for people on the go. This small and lightweight machine offers 3 sound options: bright white noise, deep white noise, and gentle surf. It's rechargeable via USB, making it easy to take anywhere, from hotel rooms to long car rides. The Rohm is especially popular with parents looking to maintain their child's sleep environment while traveling.
5. Sound+Sleep SE.
The Sound+Sleep SE stands out with its adaptive sound technology, which automatically adjusts volume based on background noise. It offers a wide variety of sound profiles, including white noise, nature sounds, and ambient environments. With a headphone jack and sleep timer, it's great for light sleepers or shift workers who need help tuning out unpredictable sounds.
Choosing the best white noise machine for you.
Each of these white noise machines offers unique features to help you sleep better. Whether you value portability, customization, or natural fan sounds, there's a model to fit your needs. Consider your sleeping environment and personal preferences to find the right device and enjoy the benefits of better, more restful sleep.